Good morning students. So today I am making video for your solution of lesson plan number 1 assignment number 2. For assignment number 1 I have already just solved in PDF form that you will be getting, and now for assignment number 2 lesson plan 1, just check through it. First question says in our assignment, verify the property A cross B is equals to B cross A, where A is equals to minus 12 upon 7 and B is minus 21 upon 5. So we have to prove now A cross B is equals to B cross A. As I have written in left hand side A cross B and in right hand side B cross A. So just I have put the value of A, that is minus 12 upon 7, and of B, that is minus 21 upon 5. And in RHS you can see I have put B, that is minus 21 upon 5 into minus 12 upon 7. So if we see now, see बच्चे, you know we can just reduce them into lowest form if it is possible. So I can see 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21. I can reduce them into simpler form, or if you will not be reducing them into simpler form, then also it's fine. You can do direct. So minus 12 into minus 3, that is positive 36, minus into minus is positive, and 1 into 5, that is 5. Okay, now similarly just see what will happen in RHS. In RHS again I can cut it, 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21. So what will be we getting? Minus 3 into minus 12, that is positive 36 upon 5. We can see our LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, so our LHS is equals to RHS. So it's verified that A cross B is equals to B cross A. So बच्चे, in your assignment we have one more part of the same property. You will solve on the same guidelines by using the same steps. Now question number 2 of this assignment says, to verify A cross into B cross C is equals to A cross B into C. We have value of A as 7 by 5, B value is minus 9 by 4, and C value is 1 by 2. You can see I have written already. Now similarly I have written LHS and RHS. You can see. Now LHS, A cross B cross C. A value I have put, that is 7 by 5, B value minus 9 by 4, and C value is 1 by 2. So just first I am solving for you people our left hand side. तो बच्चे 7 by 5 into, and we know always in maths BODMAS rule says first we have to solve bracket. Okay, so just see, can we reduce it into simpler form? No. So just numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator, minus 9 upon 8, then it will be equals to, now again can we reduce it into simpler form? No. So 9 7 ja 63 minus and 8 5 ja 40. This is my answer of left hand side. Let's see what will happen in RHS. First we have bracket. We can't reduce them in simpler form. So 7 9 ja minus 63, because minus sign is there. 5 4 ja 20 into 1 by 2. Now just do multiply. Minus 63 into 1 is minus 63 upon 40. Okay, so we can compare it now. Our LHS is equals to RHS. So our property is verified, that is A cross B cross C is equals to A cross B and into C. So बच्चे, we have second part in question, so you will do that second part in the same guidelines. Just put the value and do the calculation. And I know you all are very good in calculations, so you will do it nicely.